this? Alphabet. Alphabet start with letter. Where's A? Oh, where's the letter A? Okay, A is for alligator. Where's the alligator? Which one is the alligator? Oh, alligator. A. Alligator. Okay, how about this one? Letter B. Where's the letter B? B is for... What's that? Bear. Next letter. C. Where's the letter C? Where's the letter C? C. Here, oh. C is for cat. This one, C. C. This one, C. C is for cat. Next letter. D is for... Very good. Oh, this one, D. Here. Okay, next. Dog. Next one. Oopsie. Letter E. Where's the letter E? Okay, very good. E is for... Oh, here. E is for elephant. Or where's the elephant? Oh, elephant. E is for elephant. Okay, next letter F. Where's the letter F? Okay, very good. F. F is for fox. Very good. Fox. Here's the shadow of the fox, oh. Next, what is this? Letter G. Here, G. G. Here. Okay. G is for goose. Okay, next letter. H is for hen. It's a hen. Okay, very good. Next one. Wait. I. Letter I. Where's the letter I? Get the letter I. Where's the letter I? Here, oh. Look mo, I. Oh, sorry. I. Here. Ate, again. Where's the letter I? I. Look. I. Igloo. Here. Letter I. I. Eagle. Where's the igloo? Here. Next letter. J. Where's the letter J? Okay, J is for jaguar. Letter J. Where's the letter J? Uh-oh. No, where's the letter J? J. Uh-oh, no. Where is it? Where's the letter J? Oh, look, oh. J. Right here, ate. Here. Go, put. Here, ate. Dito, ate. Right here. Here, oh. J. Hold it. Here, this one. J. Yan. Oh, next, letter. Letter K. Letter K. K. Here. K is, yes, kangaroo. Next, letter L is for here. Ate, right here, letter L. Yan, baliktad. L is for lion. Here's the lion, the shadow of the lion. Okay, very good. Next letter. Letter. This one here. Come on. Next one. Letter. M. M is for, look, M. M. M right here is for, what is this? Monkey. Next, letter N. N here. For, this one here. N. Nest. Nest. Bird nest. Here. Nest. Bird nest. N. N. Okay, very good. Next, how about O? O is for, what is this? Very good. Oh, where's the letter O? O. Next, P. What's that? It's a penguin. Very good. Next one. Next, Q. Q. Oh, where's the Q? Q. Letter Q. 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 Ate. Ayan. Q is for? Queen. Very good. Next, how about this one? Letter R. R is for? Rocket. Rocket. Very good. Oopsie. Next to R, letter. Look at this one. S. Where's the letter S? Uh-oh. S. S. Where is it? S. Again, which one? Which one? S. Oh, finish mo muna this one. Ay, nalaglag. Wait, teacher. S, S. Get, S. This one, this one. S. Here, hold it. S. Put mo. Like this, oh. Here, S. S is for snail. Where's the shroud of the snail? Next, T. T, hero. Letter T. Ate, right here. Oh, not yet, not yet. Wait for teacher. Here, look. Next, tiger. Next one, ate, look. Tiger, finish. Again, tiger. Okay, next. U. Where is the letter U? Look at the letter U. U is for umbrella. Okay, next, V. Vampire bat. Vampire bat. Where's the vampire bats? Right here. Next, W. Oh, where is it? Where is it? W. Okay, wolf. Wolf. Okay, next, X. X. Xylophone. Okay, very good. Next, Y. Y is for hero. Y is for yak. And letter Z, zebra. Okay. Next, let's go. Your turn. Next, wait for your turn. Your turn. Next, color green. And shoot. Okay, alright, turn. Now let's wait for our turn. Okay, our turn. Right. Orange. Blue, color green. Okay, and then shoot. Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Uh-oh. Fix it right. What's it doing? Like this. Okay. Your turn. Ate. Here. Ate's turn. Here. For your turn. Orange, step on orange. Yeah, next, blue, green. Very good. Shoot. Oh, try again, get. Sige, get mo, get. Yun, oh, put it here. Very good. Oh, come here. It's right turn. Okay. Turn right. Hexagon. Where's the hexagon? Okay. Go. Blue, green. Okay, put mo daw dito. Fix it. Fix it. Okay. Orange, blue, and green. Very good. Shoot. There you go.
Number? Say 5. Aiden, wait lang. 5. How about this one? Number? Say 4. 4. What number is this? Say 8. Good. Louder. What number is this? Say 2. And 1. Okay. Let's count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's number 5. Okay then, where's number 5? Number 5. This number 5. 5.
Okay, good job.
5. Next one. Count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's number 4? Okay, 4. Okay.
Very good. Come here. Okay.
4. Count the trees.
Square.
1,
Step.
2. Where's number 2?
Step.
Okay, good job.
Okay.
Oops, no.
Fix it. Try.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Next one, how about the butterfly?
Here, try and do first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where's number 8?
Green and shoot. Very good.
Okay, and count the bird. How many? 1. Where's number 1? Okay, good job. Bye-bye.
Go, put mo down.
Yay.
Okay, good job, Rai. Okay, good job, Brian. One, next one. Go, Adrian. Orange. Blue. And shoot. Okay.
Got the picture. What's that? Cup. Next. What's that? Water scoop. Water scoop. Where is it? No. Look, water scoop. Slowly, no, slide. Slide slowly. After like this. Next. Next one. Toilet paper. White toilet paper. How about the comb? Purple comb. Next, towel. Towel. Green towel. Okay, very good. Yeah, next. About toothbrush and toothpaste. Brush your teeth. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Where is it? Uh-oh, where is it, ate? Toothpaste and toothbrush. No. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Okay, next. Slippers. Next, trash. Trash bin. Okay, next, blower, hair dryer. Basin, wash basin. Shower gel. And last one, the toilet, the post tool. Okay, very good. Okay, next. How about the animals? Here you go. What is this? Lion. Where's the lion? Oh no. Where is the lion? Go fix it, lion. Finish na. Go. Finish your work. Lion, put the lion here. No. Finish your work. Go, lion. Fix. No, no, follow teacher. Go, where is it? Finish your work. Finish your work first. No. Lion, you finish your work first. No. Finish your work first. Hi. Go, lion. Next, monkey. Baliktad, like this. Next, tiger. Where's the tiger? Hero. Okay, next, alligator. Green alligator. It's a color green alligator. Gorilla. Very good. Kangaroo. Hop, kangaroo. No, look mo, di pa picture. Giraffe. Oh, where's the giraffe? Look. Ate, giraffe. Hippo. Like this. Next, zebra. And elephant. And last one, hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Oh, see? Finish. Diba? Or you give teacher high five. Okay. Okay, so this one, we're gonna follow pattern. Color. Red, green, yellow, and red. Okay, hold this one. Hold it here. Color red. Where's the color red? Get the color red. Oh, is that color red? Again, red. Okay, next color green. Where's the color? Oh, that's the color green. Where's the color green? Green. Okay. Next color yellow. Very good. Next one, color orange. Oh, orange. Oh no, that's not color orange. Where is color orange? Orange. Okay, orange. Okay. Next color red. Red. Oh, oopsie. Red again. Red. Oh, red. Ate, color red. Yun. Okay, finish. Look, it's the same. No more na. No more na. Finish na. Let's try another one. Let's try one more. Oh, no. Here. Color. Yellow. Where's the color yellow? Next, orange. Orange. Very good. Next, color. Look mo. Color red. Where's the color red? Red. Oh, red. You follow the pattern. Color red. Where's the color red? Okay. Next, yellow. Oh, yellow. No, yellow, ate. Yellow. Where's the color yellow? Yellow. Yellow. Next, blue. And last color, pink. There you go. See, finish. Look at the pattern. Yellow, orange, red, yellow, blue, and pink. See, finish. One more. Let's try one more. Hold this. Hold it. Hold it like this. Color. Purple. Next, yellow. Color yellow. Oh, yellow. Oh, yellow. Okay, next, yellow. Next, color green. Very good. Next, color green. Color green. Yes, it's color black, but follow the pattern. Color green. And last color, purple. There you go. Finish. You follow the pattern. Purple, yellow, green, and purple. Very good. Okay, high five, teacher. Okay.